wrong with change. I'm actually pro-change. My advice is that you choose your circle. Choose who you surround yourself with. Cebu is a big city. The reason why, despite all the temptations out there, and why I remain grounded is because of my friends. I'm lucky to have found my circle who are God-centered, family-oriented, and goal-driven. And I'm proud that we are all tech interns na. Yay! In the midst of the cold city we were in, we were able to find warmth in each other, and we somewhat became a family, supporting and always uplifting others. I hope you'll find yours too, Chloe. It doesn't have to be big, quality over quantity. And really, I can't wait for you to be in college now. Don't worry, I'll also be there, like, literally, because I'm sharing a bundle. Because without my supportive parents, mommy and daddy, would it be possible? So thank you. I promise that I'll guide and try my best to be a good role model to you, Chloe. Also, I'll try to be patient. I love you, my dad, our own Yunato. Happy 18.